if you're a business person and thinking ki, Ari, I have so much business right now that I'm not able to handle because you're a small business, so what is the point of creating content? What is the point of video marketing? Because you know what, I can't handle the clientele even right now. Well, I am asking you to look at video marketing as a marathon, as a long time vision for yourself. You are not just creating videos so that you get clients now, but you want to create those digital assets which will create a bank of all the work that you have created, or document all the work that you've created, continuously put out the quality of content you're making in the outside world. Imagine after a couple of months when somebody sees that content, maybe somebody really huge, and sees all that bank of work you have documented, you could get a huge premium client because of that. So don't be short-sighted. Don't just think ki abhi to bahut hai, I can't do much. Think of the long time, the long